Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fikret. This video course is designed for those folks who are looking to get started with Apache Spark and Databricks. Okay, time travel. One of the great features of Delta Lake technology is that it allows you to go back in time because Delta Lake use different versions of the file alongside with logging. So Delta Lake basically has its own logic mechanism which records any transformations that is happening to your data. And you can actually use this logging mechanism for many practical purposes. Easiest way to browse your table's history is to use describe history command. You can use either Spark SQL command for that, just like we discussed earlier, or you can use SQL magic for that. So this is how my table's history look like. So let's take a quick look. So important columns from time history versions. So I'll show you how you can use these versions to revert back in time. Timestamp is another column. So these two columns basically tell you at which point certain operations happen to your table. So here you have operation type. So for example, if I scroll down, I can see that my table was created at this point, which marked as version 0, and I can see the date, and then I can see number of operations including update, delete, restore that apply to this table. Time history for table has lots of useful information that you can use in various ways, for either for auditing purposes or for some practical ETL needs. Let's use some of the practical applications. Once you know the history of your table, what you can do is just you can browse earlier versions of your rows using version as of clause, just like this. So here you have to specify version number. So this version number could be any of these versions. So for example, if I want to see how my data looked like at this particular date and the version before restore operation happened, I can use this command. So I did not include display, of course. So display will allow me to browse this data. So this command is great for doing some analysis or auditing purposes. But there's another flavor of this command, which is called restore table, which actually changes the data in your table to its earlier version. So basically, you roll back your entire table to earlier versions. And it works similar way, so you have to specify version to which you want to revert. But use this command cautiously because it may impact your downstream processes.